Well, tonight, 6 Investigates has the story of a man who lost his home in Hurricane Harvey who is still fighting with TWIA to pay up. Meanwhile, his lawyer says that TWIA is denying policyholders the full coverage they're entitled to. But TWIA says policyholders are getting exactly what they should be getting. Here's Chief Investigative Reporter Rick Spruill.
This was our main living room here.
These days, all Joseph Park can do is tell you how his Rockport home used to look.
That was our bedroom, other associated rooms.
Hurricane Harvey peeled a corner off of the roof, exposing the home to rain and a lot of water damage.
It rained in here, soaked the house completely through down to the foundation.
Now, more than a year later, Park has a bigger problem. TWIA insured the home for $300,000, but they didn't pay that, not even close. Instead, Park says he got less than $170,000 from TWIA, and that isn't going to get things done.
And this is what I was able to do with the money that TWIA gave me.
And they paid it after a building consultant changed the initial estimate to a much lower figure. TWIA's Jennifer Armstrong says they call in those building consultants on about 3% of Harvey's claims, and that using them is standard practice.
Other private companies will bring in building consultants, professional engineers, that sort of thing, to make sure that we get all of the information so that we can make an accurate determination of what's owed under the policy.
Houston insurance lawyer John Black disagrees.
This is all just a cheat on Texans that are in a terrible situation after one of the worst storms we've ever had.
And now it's going to court. Park hired Black to sue the Texas Windstorm Insurance Association on his behalf, and Black says the intent is to make a case that TWIA is using laws meant to protect Texans against Texans. It all revolves around TWIA's use of the words accepted in full, despite having slashed the payout offered under a policy. Words that Black says are being used like magic dust to keep policyholders in limbo in TWIA out of court.
Under the law, if they accept a claim in full, they use those magic words, then the whole case goes to appraisal, not court. This is all about delaying, denying, or underpaying claims.
Armstrong says there are no magic words in TWIA's policies, and that it is not TWIA's plan to lowball and stonewall policyholders.
Texas Windstorm does not try to underpay claims. Our sole purpose here is to be there for our policyholders when they need us most.
For Park, it's simply a question of getting what he thinks he paid for when he bought that TWIA policy.
I bought an insurance policy. I paid a lot of money for that insurance policy, but I did not get what that insurance policy said I should have gotten.
Armstrong tells us that of the 77,000 claims filed since Harvey, exactly 287 have resulted in lawsuits. That's as of the end of October, the latest figures available. Rick Spruill, 6 Investigates.